Hello Cancer, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star Star Star. So Cancer, Cancer, this is your reading for the month of February 2021. This is a general reading, Cancer. So please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid, okay? Also Cancer, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Alright, let me explain you the format of this reading, Cancer. I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. Okay, they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you're thinking about, you're dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy. Thereafter, we'll pull some cards from another deck and they will represent the general messages. They will represent the non-love messages for you and your person. Okay, later on we'll see what are the messages from higher powers, what are the messages from the universe, what are the messages from your ancestors. Okay, at the end we'll wind up this reading by pulling out one single card. Sorry for my throat, please excuse me for my throat. So yeah, so at the end we'll wind up this reading by pulling out one single card, which will be the likely conclusion for the given situation. Okay, all right Cancer, let's get started. So we have Seven of Swords for you, Ten of Cups, Six of Cups. Six of Cups has come after a real long time. The Hanged Man for your person, Ace of Pentacles, the Magician. Okay, mutual energy, the Fool, the Devil. And the Devil card is popping up quite often nowadays. Alright, so if we have to talk about the signs over here, you may be dealing with an Aries, Virgo, Capricorn. I also see a Pisces. I also see a strong water sign presence, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, alright, let's not remain fixed on the sign. If the sign pops up, all the better. Right, so Seven of Swords, Ten of Cups and Six of Cups. Okay, this is your past life soulmate and you're dealing with someone, Cancer, kind of showed you the world, kind of raised your hopes a lot. Okay, they triggered emotions inside you and they showed you that you know, they can give you the world, they can give you this Ten of Cups, they can give you the required happiness. Okay, and after you started reciprocating to their to whatever they were doing, okay, this person ran away. Okay, this person started ghosting you. A lot of in and out energy. So whenever they used to come back, they used to be like, yes, I'm back, show me your love, show me your emotions, and I'm the one for you, of that sort. Okay, a lot of hot and cold energy, a lot of in and out person, a bit someone who is a manipulator, a control freak, someone who takes from you and then they go back and they give to someone else. This person may have treated you as an option. This person may have drained you of a lot of energy. That's what I'm getting. Okay, this person was an energy vampire. They drained you a lot of your energy. You may have felt like you're falling sick all of a sudden. Okay, you were thinking that you have found the one. Okay, Cancer, you thought that your search has ended and you no more need to search anyone because you have found the one for yourself, and you were very happy. You were very happy initially, but you failed to understand that in their in and out energy, you failed to understand their hot and cold behavior. And later on, when people, probably you yourself, you felt, or people in and around you, they started telling you like, hey, whosoever you're dealing with, okay, they already have someone else in their life. Okay, or this person if you met at a workplace, what I'm feeling is like this person was trying to steal away something from you. They were trying to steal away your ideas, and however you were quite blinded because of the love. Okay, you couldn't believe that this person could do something like this to you. Okay, even in this 10 of cups, look, this couple is looking somewhere else. Okay, their back is towards us, and this person was trying to steal away from something and you didn't even knew about it. This person was playing around with you. This person was quite manipulative and control freak probably. Okay, this was definitely not a person who was giving you. Okay, this was a taker and they couldn't give you. Okay, whereas you on the other hand are so tired of dealing with wrong people, and you are like, what is wrong in having expectations to find the right one? Okay, why is it so hard to find someone who is right for you? Why is it hard if I have expectations, reasonable expectations, that I want a person who will be committed to me? Why is it hard to someone who has some ethics and morality within them? Okay, am I asking for too much? No, I'm asking what is reasonable. I'm asking what are the least expectations. Okay, and you are so freaking tired of dealing with such kind of people in your life. Probably this is a sort of a repetitive patterns in your life that you are encountering with such kind of people only. So I believe that you need to heal yourself. There are certain, either you or your person, you may be having some childhood issues. Okay, there was an absence of a mother figure, or there was a something to do with a female figure over here. Okay, because of which there are either some childhood issues or there are some wounds that has been caused by a female, and these wounds are yet to be healed. That's what I'm getting. Okay, you wanted, I'm seeing that Cancer, for you or for your person, you're coming from a broken family. Okay, you're coming from a broken family, and that has created a lot of impact on you. That's what I'm getting. Okay, or there was an absence of someone in your life which you were like literally fighting for their love. That's what I'm getting. And you never got that kind of a love, and that's why such kind of people are showing up in your life. Okay, there are some issues that you need to heal from your childhood, Cancer. If this is not applicable for you, this may be applicable for your person. Okay, your person is Hangman, Magician, and Ace of Pentacles. This person is manifesting you back. Now this person may be resorting to some unhealthy manners to manifest you back, because with that Hangman, I feel that this person wants to take a different perspective. They want to level up, they want to mature. Okay, because they have understood that they have feelings for you. This person is missing you, but they are too insecure to come towards you directly and accept their and admit their wrongdoings. So this person is resorting to unhealthy ways of manifesting you back. They may be trying to create a love spell or using some witchcraft or something to manifest you back. This person wants to come towards you with and gift you something. That's what I'm getting. Probably you may find this person standing outside your door on the 14th of Feb, but this may not happen for everyone. If not on 14th of Feb, maybe sometime soon. But what I'm getting is this person wants to gift you something. Okay, as a token of love. They want to come towards you. They want to express what they are feeling, but they are too scared. They are too scared. Okay, and that's why they are resorting. That's why they are standing wherever they are. They are not moving out of their comfort zone. They are moving in and around their zone. Okay, they're trying to take a different perspective, but they are not stepping out of their zone. Okay, and they are too insecure. I am also feeling that you people are mirroring one another. Both of you have a lot of insecurities. That's what I'm getting over here, Cancer. And you people are projecting your insecurities onto one another, especially this person. The mutual energy is that of a Fool and the Devil card. You people are keeping tabs on each other. Okay, you people are watching what the other person is doing through social media or something like that. But there is this energy of wanting to have. There is this obsessive energy of wanting to have the other person. Okay, both of you intend to take a leap of faith towards one another, but there are some certain things that you need to work upon yourself before you can take a leap of faith. both of you will have to work on a couple of things. Okay, both of you are having certain things, especially I'm getting that there are some unhealed issues over here, and more so specifically some childhood issues. Okay, both of you are having certain issues which have been carried forward in your life, and these issues needs a lot of healing, and that's why whatever is happening in your life is happening right now. Okay, otherwise I see that both of you have intentions to take a leap of faith towards one another. What are the general messages? What are the general messages? What are the general messages for Cancer and their person? What are the general messages for Cancer and their person? Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, wow. The Devil again. Alrighty. Three of Wands for your person. Seven of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Away. So Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Devil. You're like, I'm not gonna move anywhere. Okay, I've done my part. Now it is on to the other person who needs to level up and come towards me. I'm not moving from my throne. Okay, you are totally working on yourself, baby. Cancer, you are totally working on your self-empowerment. You're working on your money. You're working on your finances and career. You may be doing a lot of things, and I see that whatever you're doing is working in your favor. That's what I'm getting, okay? And you have reached a level of confidence that you know that even if this person doesn't come in the right manner towards you, you know that you have options. Okay, you are working on your body, you're hitting the gym and all that sort. Okay, so you know that you can attract a right person in your life, so you are fuckingly confident on yourself. That's what I'm getting. With the Devil card, you are aware that you have certain things that you need to work upon, but I believe that you are busy in a couple of things in your life, professionally, personally. You're busy, and that's why you are finding it very hard to work on whatever you need to work on right now. If that is not the case, you are working very hard towards something, whatever you are passionate about. Okay, especially about your career or your profession, or for some of you, you people are writing book. That's what I heard. Okay, you're working very passionately towards that. Just careful warning, just warning over here that you gotta be careful. It should not impact your health. Okay, it should not happen that you burn out yourself totally, right? Okay, so as far as your person is concerned, they are working on a couple of projects very secretively. Okay, they are reaping the rewards of their hard work, but they are working on certain things very secretively. This person is a charmer. Okay, they are a charmer and they attract a lot of opposite sex. This person is waiting for things, certain things to fall in their kitty, and then they're going to make a move towards you. That's what I'm getting. This person is waiting for probably this person is also working on their finances. That's what I'm getting, Cancer. Okay, are they gonna make a move? Yes, they will, but they will need some time. What are the general messages? What are the general messages? What are the messages from the higher powers? What are the messages from higher powers? Thinking man. Okay, both of you are thinking a lot. Both of you are thinking a lot as to what kind of Cancer, you're thinking, how much should I wait? Should I wait? Should I not wait? Okay, your person is thinking what action they need to take towards this situation. Both of you are thinking a lot. Both of you are a lot in your headspace. Hostilities, there is someone in and around you who is not your well-wisher. You gotta be careful. Okay, red flags will be shown to you. First chakra, Archangel Uriel. Base chakra, sacral chakra. Okay, I think so that's blocked. You gotta be a bit careful about your intimate parts. That's what I'm getting. Okay, rest and rejuvenate. you need some rest and rejuvenation. I told you, right? You're working very hard. It should not happen that you burn out yourself. You're working very hard towards something, okay? Towards your passion or whatever it is. Right, so what are the messages from the universe? What are the messages from the universe? What are the messages from the universe? If they once loved you, they still do. If you're wondering whether this person loves me or not, they do, baby, they do. Hubba hubba. Okay, let me read the message from behind. Yeah, you know that that dreamy look of deep soulful love you have sometimes seen in the eyes of another as they gaze into your own. Expect a lot more of it. Okay, so some intense gazing, looking eye to eye. Okay, that's gonna happen a lot more in near future. Yay. So what you give will come back to you. What goes around comes around. Okay, what you sow, so shall you reap. Love is the reason behind everything. Whatever is happening in your life right now, love is the reason for that. All there is to love has been there all along. So if you're thinking that for love I need something more, something else in my life, no baby, you're enough, you're sufficient. Love in spite of it all. Do not give up on love. Whatever is happening in your life, disappointments may have come up, you may have seen a lot of disappointments. Do not give up on love. Love is the most beautiful feeling anyone can have in their life, okay? Don't be misled, okay? There is someone who is not your well-wisher, right? Someone in and around you who is not your well-wisher, okay? They may try to mislead you. You know what to do. You know what to do, okay? So if you're confused about certain things, you definitely know what to do, okay? Search answer within yourself. What are the messages from the ancestors? 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 Right. Protection guardian, drop your shields. If your guards are up, you need to drop your guards, okay? Else, you know, love will be blocked coming towards you. If you're so guarded, love cannot come towards you. Be graceful in moment and action. You need to be graceful in your actions. Right. So, what is the likely conclusion for the given situation? What is the likely conclusion for the given situation? Too many cards. This is the one card which wanted to come out. Queen of Swords. I told you, right? Your guards are up. Your guards are up. You need to let your guards down if you want this love to come towards you, or for that matter, old love or new love. Okay, if you want any kind of a love to come towards you, you need to let your guards down, baby. Your guards are up. Okay, all right. I hope this resonates, Cancer. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye.